Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix PRAGMATA game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connections. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Or you can also simply restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connections. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next, select rebuild database. OK. Now you can go ahead, launch the PRAGMATA game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select PRAGMATA game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI type. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete the game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Select PRAGMATA game, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change a DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network, settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change the DNS settings from automatic to manual and in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. Now click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Then hit on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall and then reinstall the game and check. If that doesn't work and if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on a PS5, then reinstall or transfer the PRAGMATA game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve PRAGMATA game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.